Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another awesome video on my channel. So a few days ago, if you guys remember, I made a video on a special RGB router where I was talking about like how brands are making so many RGB stuff. Like you might have seen a lot of RGB PCs, RGB components and even RGB peripherals, and what else was left to make RGB, right? Well, to be surprised, this is something out of the box and I never thought even this would be made in RGB, guys. Well, I present to you RGB gaming table. Yes, this is what we'll be unboxing in today's video, guys. It's a huge RGB gaming table. I told you, right, I'm completely giving a makeover to my existing gaming setup. Well, I decided that I'll be changing my table also, and for that, I bought this special RGB gaming table from GameDS. So the model is called as Daedalus M1 RGB. It's got like RGB lighting completely on the sides, and this is dedicatedly made for gaming purpose and has a lot of awesome tech features in that, which I'll be showing you in this video. So this one is I bought this table from this computer store known as Elite Hubs. It's a computer store, guys, that sell a lot of PC components like cabinets, PC components and all that stuff. You have to check out their website. They have this cool gaming furniture also, like gaming tables, gaming chairs and all that stuff. I'll just leave a link to their website, Elite Hubs, in the description box below. Go check it out there. Alright, then let's quickly get started with the unboxing and check out how this thing looks like. Now this is a very big box, guys, and I don't think I'll be able to do the unboxing alone. That's why I invited my dad as well. We both will be doing the unboxing together. The table came in this huge box packing, and you can see the GameDS branding over here, as well as a picture of the gaming table on the front. It comes with a lot of gaming related features, especially it comes with some RGB lighting on the sides, and there's a big mouse pad at the top, has a built-in RGB light controller, and a lot of other stuff which I'll tell you once we get started with the unboxing. Alright, then let's quickly tear this packaging and see what do we have on the inside. So as I've told you at the beginning, the model we'll be unboxing in this video is called the Daedalus M1. This is an RGB gaming table. Along with that, the brand also has a couple of different gaming furniture as well, like with RGB, without RGB, and in different colors as well. The table I ordered for my setup is a black and red color combination. And there you go. Oh my god, are you guys looking at that red color? Wow! This thing is completely made of metal, guys. I mean, the legs, the construction, everything is made of steel and comes in this beautiful metallic red finish. Love that color. And the top desk will be in like matte black finishing, guys. So let me just quickly take these, rods and holders out of the box and we'll quickly get started with the assembling. There's a lot of stuff over here. Looks like there's a lot of cables as well that we need to connect for the RGB lighting and stuff. Alright, here we go. And these are the main legs for the table. Damn, these things look like a shotgun, right, while holding in the hand. Pretty cool design. This is very different to the previous existing table which I was using in my setup. You'll be like completely surprised when you check out the look of this table once we're done with the assembling. And each part is like pretty heavy, guys, completely made out of metal, right? So it definitely has a bit of weight to it. Alright, looks like this is the desk. Let me just tear this outer packaging. Oh, along with the desk, we also get this some other stuff. Let me show you. There's a huge mouse pad in the package, and you see this net over here. This is a cable management net, which will help you organize all the cables and all that stuff below the table. Let's just keep this net aside and let me just hold the mouse pad and show you. Damn, guys, I've never seen this huge mouse pad. Just look at the size of this thing. Very nice. It's got this satin finish, black color, and has the GameDS logo as well as a model of the desk. It's called the Daedalus M1 gaming desk, guys. Awesome. So this you need to place on top of the desk once you're done with the assembling. Okay, let's just keep that aside for now and see what else do we have in the package. So this is the main desk of our gaming table, guys. The main plank, the board that you'll be placing on top of the legs. It's a very solid and durable desk, guys. If you ask about the build quality is solid. The material used is MDF, which is medium density fiber board, and has a thickness of around like 1.5 inches. Solid build quality and feels pretty heavy in the hand. So let me just flip it over and show you. There you go. This is how the top part of the desk looks like. very good quality finishing. It feels very soft, and the best part is it's also scratch resistant, so that is one thing you'll have to worry less about. So let me just give you all a closer look and show you what do we have on this desk. As you can see, we've got the Game DS branding on all the sides, and to this side do you see this white area over here? These are the RGB light strips present on both the sides. They've got lots of RGB LEDs in there, and you can easily control the lighting effects using the built-in RGB LED controller. Well, talking about the controller, here it is. It's present at the top of the desk to the lower right corner. It's a touch panel, guys. It's got 3 buttons, a power button, RGB cycle mode, and a brightness and a speed control. We'll come back to the desk in a moment, but before that, remember we got an accessory box in the package. Well, first we'll see what do we have in that. There's a user manual here. Make sure to read that for the complete tutorials, like the step-by-step instructions on how to assemble this gaming desk. Keeping that aside, in this accessory box, you've got all the required screws, nuts, bolts, and the other tools like spanners, Allen keys, so you can easily assemble the table. And along with that, you also have some pretty nice accessories, like there's a gaming headset holder and even a cup holder. Very useful accessories actually. You can easily place all your stuff on top of them. And lastly, a power strip holder. So this is mainly for the cable management thing. You can easily place your power brick, power adapters, power strips, everything on this thing and neatly hide all the cables. Well, that's it guys. These were all the stuff we got in the package with the table. Now what we'll do is we'll get started with our assembling. Assembling this gaming table is like super simple, guys. There is no complications involved and no professional guidance also needed. All you need to do is just watch my video step by step till the end, and you'll also be able to do this at your home. See, why am I making this dedicated to a step by step tutorial is in case if you also plan to buy one of these tables, then this video will be like very helpful for you with all the step by step instructions given in the video. So make sure to watch it till the end. The first step you need to do right now is install these 4 foot pads to all the legs. See, these are called as leg adjustment knobs. What they do is even if you have an uneven surface, they'll automatically balance and keep the table flat and parallel to the ground. So once you're done with the installation of these 4 foot pads, now you need to join both the legs of the table using these provided rods in the box. You get these 3 huge rods using which you'll be doing that. So just simply place it over here, use some provided hardware screws only, and the tools are also provided. Just use that Allen key in the box and tighten up all the screws. So go with the bottom bars first. Once you're done fixing both the 2 rods on the bottom side, now fix this diagonal rod at the center of the legs, just like this as I'm showing you in the video. Each of these rods will require 2 of these screws. Just place them like this and use the Allen key and tighten them properly. Also make sure guys you tighten up all the screws firmly. You don't want to have any play in the screws and nothing should be loose. Everything should be like super tight. And that's it, we are done with joining both the legs. Now what you need to do is you need to fix this lower leg section onto the desk. For that they provided some clamps. We get 4 clamps in the box, so just fix these clamps to the legs first using the screws just like this. So once you're done with the installation of these 4 clamps, you need to take this whole lower section and place it on top of the desk just like this. So what you need to do over here is you need to align the holes which are present already on the desk with the holes on the clamps that we attached to the legs. So let me give you a closer look. There you go, this is how the holes should be matched. Now take some hardware screws and fix all the 4 clamps present on all the 4 directions. Make sure that you properly tighten up all the screws. And that's it, we're almost done with the assembling part. Now the only thing left to do is connect those accessories that we got in the package and also the cable management net. First, let's start with the gaming headset holder. This holder will be placed to the right side of the table, so it goes over here. Use a screw to fix it up. And then comes the cup holder. The cup holder should be fixed to the left side of the table. Use a similar hardware screw and properly tighten it up just like this. And that's it, the only thing left to attach is this cable management net. It goes exactly on the bottom side of the desk just like this, and for this also they gave some screws and washers in the package. Just use them and properly fix the net to the desk. And that's it guys, we're completely done with the assembling. Now let me just flip it over and show you how this gaming desk looks like. Damn, this thing is like super heavy. It's completely made of like steel frame as I've told you at the beginning, and the top plank is also like super heavy MDF material, right? Very good quality desk. And so the last thing you need to do is just connect all the cables for the RGB lighting stuff, and that's it, you're all good to go. Let me also place the gaming mousepad on top of it and show you the complete final look of this gaming desk. So this is how our Daedalus M1 RGB gaming desk looks like. Holy smokes, that looks beautiful, right? Wow. And also the table is like very big. Just look at the size. I'm showing you it for comparison's sake. You can easily set up even a dual monitor setup on this desk. Pretty cool, right? So let's have a closer look and talk about all the features and specs of this product. The Game DS Daedalus M1 is an RGB gaming desk made for all the eSport pro gamers. It's got a length of 60 inches, width of 26 inches and has a height of 30 inches. And the desk can take a max payload of up to 100 kgs. So you can easily place your entire gaming setup on it, including your PC. The mouse pad on the top is special, guys. It's a full black mouse pad with the Game DS branding and is probably the biggest I've ever seen till now. If you ask about the quality of the fabric used is nice and is great for gaming. But the best part is it's fully water resistant. So in case even if you spill water or any sort of soft drink on it, nothing's going to happen. Now coming to the interesting part, the RGB lighting. I think this is the first gaming table in India that features RGB lighting. It's got two RGB LED strips on both the sides of the desk that can be powered on by either plugging the USB cable into your PC or even into a small power bank. And everything can be controlled using the built-in RGB controller on the desk. That is awesome, right? Let me just dim the lighting and give you all a better look. Absolutely RGB-licious. The desk has around like 70 RGB LEDs built into it, which produce around like 15 different lighting effects. These include rainbow, spectrum mode, snake, disco, Tetris, breathing mode and a lot more. Just check out this clip. Not only that, you can even adjust the brightness and even the speed of the effect as well. The touch panel on the controller was working well and felt quite convenient to use. Alright guys, welcome back to my room. As you can see, I've already placed this brand new RGB desk from Game DS in my setup, and this is how my new setup is going to look like. Looks awesome, right? So I'm going with a black and red theme. As you can see, most of the items are black and red, like my brand new JBL speakers. Well, these are something that I'm currently testing, guys. A video will be dropping very soon on them as well. And black and red theme table, gaming table, and the PC behind me is also changing. Like I'm going with the talk build, as I mentioned before in my other videos. The talk build will be happening very soon, guys, most probably in like 5 or 6 days only. I'll try to do that as soon as possible, and once that comes, we'll be having a complete brand new amazing gaming setup. I'm like super excited for this. So if you ask about the table looks really stylish, guys. It's got a complete gaming feel to it, and the height is also like perfect. Like if you just sit in your chair, you can easily access the table. It feels very comfortable when you sit on it and access a keyboard and mouse. Very nice experience, And not only that, I like these accessories also. You see this over here? I can sip my cool drinks or soft drinks, anything, and just keep it over here very nicely. And on the other side, we've got a headset holder. You can see my headset over here. It's a wireless headset, by the way. So you can just use it like this, and whenever you want to take a break, you can simply place it in this headset holder, and that's it. Very convenient, right? Awesome. So what do you guys think about this Game DS desk, guys? Let me know your thoughts also in the comment section down below. If you ask about the pricing, well, this desk, the Daedalus M1 RGB, costs around like 29 to 30,000 rupees in India. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out from there. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next video.